inside a sturdy building and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Robeson County in southeastern North Carolina, Dillon County in northeastern South Carolina, northeastern Darlington County in northeastern South Carolina, north central Marion County in northeastern South Carolina, Marlboro County in northeastern South Carolina, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Sherrill State Park, or near Sherrill, moving east at 35 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected: minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Bennettsville, Dillon, McCall, Latta, Roland, Cleo, Sellers, Reman, Hammer, Montclair, Brownsville, Oak Grove, south of the border, Wallace, Bingham, Chevittstown, Dunbar, Little Rock, Minturn, and Purvis. The forecast for Sherrill and surrounding areas.
Bye-bye, that's all I wanted
Tonight,
to tell you.
mostly cloudy. Showers and thunderstorms likely, mainly this evening. Lows around 70.
Marlboro County is under a
Southeast winds around
severe
5
thunderstorm
miles an hour.
warning. And let me
Chance of
show you
rain,
outside real
60%.
quick.
Then partly sunny with a slight chance of showers.
Look out here.
Thunderstorms
That thing is coming this way. What is giving Chesterfield County 70 mile per hour winds is coming this way. But we're only getting 60 mile per hour winds. But quarter-size hail is still expected. Wish me luck, y'all. Wish me luck. This marginal's going crazy right now.